Roomba is supposed to work for you.
Alexa, can you tell Roomba to clean under the kitchen table?
But who knew a Roomba could turn the tables by disappearing?
We could not find him, and we looked under all the furniture.
Unbeknownst to Georgia resident Shelley Betts, Roomba headed out the front door they'd left open.
We were doing Christmas decorations in and out, and he escaped.
2 days later, Shelley's husband found him under a bunch of leaves.
How far did he actually get?
To be honest, he didn't get very far.
Maybe 10 yards. It was after they found him that they looked back at their Ring camera and witnessed his escape.
We were laughing hysterically.
So was the internet, the little Roomba that could. Now that's a clean getaway. Clean, but Roomba was a mess. He lost his padding and his brushes, though he still works.
He did his job. You know, he was doing what he was born to do.
So she saluted the runaway Roomba's escape by adding the George Michael classic, Freedom! Freedom! Without Roomba, the family was left in a vacuum. Jeannie Mose, CNN, New York.